Good morning, student. Next chapter, chapter number 4, molecular basis of inheritance. Its next subpoint, Griffith's experiment. याच्या पूर्वीच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण द डिस्कवरी ऑफ DNA, द जेनेटिक मटेरियल ऑफ DNA याचा स्टडी केला होता. आता याच्यामध्ये आपण बघणार आहोत ग्रिफिथ्स एक्सपेरिमेंट. In 1928, a British medical officer, Frederick Griffith, performed an experiment on bacterium Diplococcus pneumoniae. Bacterium Diplococcus pneumoniae. That bacterium which causes pneumonia in humans and other mammals. That bacteria Diplococcus pneumoniae, that causes pneumonia to the humans and other mammals. Griffith used two strains of genetic varieties of Streptococcus. Griffith used two strains. One is the S strain and another is the R strain. S type and R type. Its S is the smooth, virulent, pathogenic and encapsulated S type. Its peculiarities are virulent, which carry virus, smooth, pathogenic, it means which cause disease, and encapsulated S type. Then R type is non-virulent, rough, non-pathogenic and non-capsulated R type. It is the pathogenic, it is the non-pathogenic. It is the virulent, it is the non-virulent. It is the encapsulated, it is the capsulated. So the Diplococcus pneumoniae S type, which infect to mammals to cause pneumonia. जर समजा डिप्लोकोकस न्यूमोनिया याच्यामध्ये यस स्ट्रेन त्याचं जर इन्फेक्शन जर झालं तर त्याच्यामधून काय होऊ शकतो, न्यूमोनिया होऊ शकतो. देन मग याच्यामध्ये ट्रान्सफॉर्मिंग प्रिन्सिपल चा स्टडी करण्यासाठी ग्रिफिथनं काय केलं, एक्सपेरिमेंट केला. फर्स्ट ग्रिफिथ इंजेक्टेड S strain bacterium to the mice. Injected S strain bacterium to the mice. That mice caused pneumonia and finally died. Then Griffith injected R type to the mice. R type Diplococcus pneumoniae strain to the mice. He found that mice was remain healthy. Then again heat killed a S strain injected to the mice. Repeat, injected heat killed a S strain to the mice. He found that mice was remain healthy. The next series, he injected a mixture of heat killed S strain plus R strain. Heat killed S strain plus R strain to the mice, and he found that a surprising result, that mice was suffered pneumonia and finally died. Griffith concluded that the R strain bacterium must have taken up to what he called a transforming principle from the heat-killed yeast bacterium. From the heat-killed yeast bacterium. He suggested that genetic material from heat-killed yeast strain bacterium had someone changed the living strain or bacterium into yeast strain bacterium. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये काय झालं की हीट किल्ड येस्ट बॅक्टेरियम प्लस त्याच्यामध्ये आर स्ट्रेन याचं मिक्सचर आहे, ते मिक्सचर माईसला इंजेक्ट केलं होतं आणि जेव्हा माईस जो डेड झालेला माईस आहे त्या माईसचं ब्लड कलेक्ट केलं, ते कल्चर केलं आणि he found that the colonies of yeast strain and he found that colonies of yeast strain, so that is called as transforming principle. That is called as transforming principle. The next experiment, a very MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. A very MacLeod and McCarthy experiment. In first series in 1944, after some 10 years of research and experimentation, 3 scientists first evidenced to prove that DNA is a genetic material. Through this experiment, 3 scientists proved that the DNA is the genetic material. DNA is the genetic material. They purified DNA, RNA, proteins and other materials from cell-free extract of yeast cell strain and mixed with heat-killed yeast strain and R cells separately to confirm which one could transform living R cells into yeast cells. Means बघा पहिल्यांदा पुन्हा एकदा, he purified heat-killed yeast strain, separated it into carbohydrates, proteins, RNA and DNAs. Proteins, DNA, carbohydrates and RNAs. Only DNA fractions of extract was added. R type converted to S type when he added enzyme deoxyribonuclease, that is DNase, into the culture. That time there is digestion of DNA takes place. There is the digestion of the DNA takes place. So this experiment proved that the transforming principle is DNA. In this experiment, he concluded that DNA digested with DNase did inhibit the transformation, suggesting that DNA caused the transformation. म्हणजे याच्यावर असं लक्षात होतं या एक्सपेरिमेंटवरनं, हे DNA it transfer the genetic information one generation to the next generation. That is called a transforming principle. आणि हा जो एक्सपेरिमेंट आहे इट सपोर्ट्स द ग्रिफिथ्स एक्सपेरिमेंट. हा कुणाला सपोर्ट करतोय? ग्रिफिथला सपोर्ट करतोय. लक्षात आलं? इट इज क्लिअर.